before we bring in the first contestant. Kataki tupemo akeu whahoko atu ai reigning Miss Heilala, Miss Brittany Mahelani, tupo wakatau pule fui maono. Brittany, please. Kaipari whiwhia, malo apito ai popo mai ki he kātoanga koia oi ahoni. Ko le atu ki he kauwhewhine ke whahoko mai ai tō taha whika uloaki, aia ko e Miss Proxys New Zealand 2016 ko Ana Whakamalunga Siulata I Wheleunga Whalala. This young lady, she is 18 years of age and has just finished high school and currently living in New Zealand, and she hails from the Makako Wheleunga from Lotoneia, Fulolo Halai Walu, pea moe paini tu ua. Ho ik moe kainga mo taitai lele ai whine mui, tene raki kamata ai whi au hikoia o e whia whini. Have a seat.
Good morning, Anna. I'll be asking you your first question today. The subject for the first question is tourism, and the question is in two parts. This year, our theme is a beautiful Tonga. A, how can we engage people not normally involved in tourism to be more actively involved? And the second part is, what is more special about Tonga as a tourist destination compared to other Pacific countries?
Sorry. Can I have question, the first part of the
First part, yes.
Yeah,
so the theme is Beautiful Tonga.
Yes, yeah.
And the first part is, how can we engage people who are not normally involved in tourism to play a more active role?
I believe if we can do this through social media, well, actually the media in general, we can promote that through the media, as it is a hugely important tool. It is worldwide, and it is very fast. And that will be a lot more approachable for those around the world and those who we are trying to, bring in and involve them into, to attract them to Tonga. Yeah, thank you. The second part of the question?
Yes, the second part was, what do you think is special about Tonga as a tourism destination as compared to other Pacific countries?
Firstly, Tonga is the only kingdom in our South Pacific. That's pretty much how it is special amongst the others. That's what's unique about Tonga. That's what differs it from the others. And I think that just in general, people would want to really come to Tonga as a destination. Also, not only that, but the natural beauty of Tonga, our tourism sites, the historical sites that we have here in Tonga. Promoting that through the media as well, as it's a huge tool by those who are, those who are celebrities, Tongan celebrities, well-known people that do live here in Tonga or that are from overseas that travel here to Tonga, have that promoted through the net, the media. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, Miss Apraxis New Zealand. My name's Anna, and I would be asking you a question relating to sports. And again, it's going to be in two parts. First question is, can you name two of your favorite Tongan sports persons, and why have you chosen them as your favorite?
Firstly, Valerie Adams. she is the champ in shot put in the world. Firstly, her because she's from New Zealand as well, and a huge inspiration to our youth. Secondly, I would say Malakai Fekitoa plays for the best rugby team in the world, the All Blacks, who are also from New Zealand as well. Yeah, and them two being Tongan, they're pretty much able to encourage our younger youth here, our upcoming sportsmen youth here, to reach their full potentials. You know, being for Malakai Fekitoa, being here from Tonga, who have been scouted to play in New Zealand, been given the opportunity, he's really used his talent and had pursued his dreams, which is to play for the All Blacks. He would have not thought he would have made it there. But yeah, him being an inspiration to the younger youth, definitely, it is possible. Thank you.
Thank you. The second question relates to sports and health, which is relating to non-communicable diseases or NCDs. Tonga had hosted a few weeks back the former New Zealand Prime Minister Helen Clark to mark the first Pacific NCD Summit. In the report, which illustrates Tonga has a real issue with NCDs, in fact, Tonga is named the #1 fattest country in the world. How would you address this issue that Tonga is struggling with at the moment?
To be very honest, I do not have much knowledge of that side, but what I can say is that firstly we need to raise more awareness within the home, the school as well, and also in the community. Where we will have youth groups or that would visit the schools and raise that awareness there. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Malo Lele. My question is on the environment. The environment is vitally important for the survival of our planet. Please name 2 things that we can do here in Tonga to help protect the environment.
I'll start with the recycling. I think a great idea with recycling would be to separate our certain wastes. So we have food waste, plastic waste, and glass. So I think if we were to build on that, to separate the sort of waste, I think we'll be able to. I believe that we'll be able to make Tonga a lot cleaner. To have different landfills for the 3 different wastes, and also that will actually decrease, the amount of people who will dump rubbish into the places like into nature, the ocean. Well, that will affect our sea life. That is very important. That's another important thing for us is the sea life. That's pretty much what we live on. That's also a natural resource that we live on. And secondly, that would also decrease the pollution, recycling and pollution. Yeah. Thank you.
Good morning, Anna.
Morning.
Okay, mine's very easy. This is all about culture. What are 2 things that you would consider special about the Tongan culture?
Firstly, our appearance. I identify myself as a Tongan woman, a Tongan young lady. So firstly, my appearance, how I present myself to you today in my Tongan attire, that's how I show that I'm Tongan myself, and I respect that. Secondly, our traditional wares. Despite we are around the world, we still carry that tradition. our Dalvala, we wear it around the waist. Yeah, so despite that, where we are in the world, I still carry, who I am, wherever I am. Yeah, thank you.
My question is about education and the importance of it. There is a concern here in Tonga that there are many unemployed young people. How can our education system address this issue?
Sorry, can you just repeat that question?
Yes. Unemployment is a concern here in Tonga. How can education help address this concern?
Education is very important. It is the key to success. I believe that if the government, had thought of offering free courses for our youth, free courses for our children, because due to financial situations, money-wise, they may not be able. We all live in different stages in our lives. So I guess if we had free courses that they do offer to our community, our young children, who are the future of tomorrow, the leaders of tomorrow, that will make a huge difference. That will increase the numbers, and that will decrease those who are unemployed. Also, in schools to have programs such as Careers Day, where they can have those of various careers here within Tonga to come and speak or the Careers Expo, to come speak about what they do, how to get there. And skills that they need, what qualifications they do need in order to get to that career. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Apoxis New Zealand 2016, Ana Whamalunga Siulata Ifeleunga Falala. Malo apito Ana. And as we wait for the second contestant, and while the judges are tallying up their marks, Kautoe whahauka tupe I profile o e taha kau whamau that I feel I didn't do justice. I'm sorry, I just found her profile. The judge number 5 here, Lupe Funaki Piena, she was raised in Laie, Hawaii, grew up participating in numerous shows and competitions, so she's not just a teacher.